Hi my dear, this is Sogan, you're most welcome. Today I want to teach you the pattern of this beautiful Irish crochet lace sleeve. This video is dedicated to you. So let's crochet together. Start the slip knot and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains. Insert your hook in first chain and make a slip stitch. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Make 6 triple crochets in this circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains and make 6 triple crochets again in same ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Chain 5, 4, and 5. Make a slip stitch in first chain. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains and make 2 triple crochets in the space of 5 chains. 1 and 2. 2. Make a double crochet, make a half double crochet, and make a single crochet. Make a half double crochet in first stitch. Make 5 double crochets in next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make 2 double crochets in the space of 3 chains. 1 and 2. Make a triple crochet in same space. Chain 2, 1 and 2. Make a triple crochet in same space and make 2 double crochets in same space. 1 and 2. Make 5 triple crochets in next 5 stitches. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make a half double crochet in last stitch. Make a single crochet in the space of 5 chains. Make a half double crochet, make a double crochet, and make 2 triple crochets in the space of 5 chains. 1 and 2. Make a slip stitch in 5th chain. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a slip stitch in 5th chain. chain 2, make 3 half double crochets in next 3 stages. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2 and make a single crochet in next stitch. Chain 2 and make a single crochet in next stitch. Chain 2 and make a single crochet in next stitch. Chain 3 and make a single crochet in next stitch once. Chain 3 and make a single crochet in next stitch twice. Chain 3 and make a single crochet in next stitch 3 times. 4, 5, chain 3 and make a single crochet in next space. 6, 7, and 8 times. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and make a single crochet in the space of 2 chains. Chain 3 and make a double crochet. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and make a pocket. Make a double crochet again in same space. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains and make a single crochet in the space of 2 chains. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and make a single crochet in first stitch. Chain 3 and make a single crochet in next stitch once. Chain 3 and make a single crochet twice. 3 times. Chain 3 and make a single crochet in next stitch 4 times. 5, 6, 7, and 8 times. Chain 2 and make a single crochet next stitch. Chain 2 and make a single crochet next stitch. Chain 2 and make a half double crochet in next stitch. Make a half double crochet in next stitch. Make a half double crochet in next stitch and make a half double crochet in last stitch. Make a slip stitch in second chain. Chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Skip 1 chain and make a slip stitch in second chain. Make a slip stitch in next chain. Make a slip stitch in next chain until the end. Make a slip stitch. Make a slip stitch in each chain. Make a slip stitch. Make a slip stitch in last chain. Make a slip stitch in same stitch. chain 1, cut a yarn off, then hide your yarn. We hope you loved this video. Show us some love by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Your feedback keeps us going. We truly appreciate you. Have a nice one. I'll be in touch.